A reasoning question starts from question number 66 onwards. Now in this 66 to 70, tell me what is the information we have. Now this is about a square. Now 8 persons A, B, C, D, M, N, O, P, and they are sitting around a square table such a way that 4 of them sit at the 4 corners of the table, while 4 in the middle of each of the 4 sets. And all the persons are facing away from the center, isn't it? As all the persons are facing away from the center, and there is no necessity for us to draw a square table. Circle lo maina manam rasiyochu. If all the persons are facing towards the center or away from the center, rather than drawing a separate square table, you can work out this one in a circular table. Then, now circle. How many persons are there? 8 persons, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And all the persons are facing away from the center. And they are facing away from the center. Then tell me what is the information we have. And there are 2 persons between B and P. B ki P ki madhya enta mandi unnaru cheppandi? 2 persons. 2 persons means if B is here, 1 to P can be here, first possibility. And in the second possibility, and 2 persons between B and P, and these persons are away from the center, then B and P, 2 people between B and P, B is here, P will be at this place. And whether this P is to the right hand side of B or to the left hand side of this B. And P is an immediate neighbor of C N. As P is an immediate neighbor of C, tell me how many possibilities we have. And C can be either here or here, there are 2 possibilities. And here also C can be here or here, 2 possibilities. And C is an immediate neighbor of, and P is an immediate neighbor of C. Now P is an immediate neighbor of C, and this P and C must be adjacent to each other. And C can be here or C can be here. And similarly here also C can be here or C can be here. P is an immediate neighbor of C. O sits to the immediate left of C. As O is to the immediate left of C, can we have C at this place? C ikkada undachu. If C is here, O is to the immediate left of C is not possible. Then P is to the immediate left avutunnadu. Hence C cannot be here. Hence where should this C? C must be here. If C is here, O is to the immediate left. Saripayindandi? And again in this one also. And immediate left hand side. If C is at this place, then O and P must be in the same place. Not possible. Hence where should this C? Opposite to this B. And C is here and O is to the immediate left hand side of C. And next one, there are 2 persons between O and A. In between O and A, there must be exactly 2 people. A can be either at this place or A can be here. 2 possibilities once again. And here also 2 people between O and A. Now in this case, A must be at this place. There is no other possibility. 2 people between O and A. And M sits second to the left of D. M is seated second to the left of D means M and D must be in the alternate places. M sits second to the left of D as M is here and D will be here. M is seated second to the left of D. And here M sits second to the left of D. M is here, D is here. M sits second to the left of D. And A is not an immediate neighbor of P. A and P are not adjacent here. Now, A cannot be adjacent to this P, A cannot be here. And so where should this A? A must be in between D and M. Now, A is not an immediate neighbor of P, but whereas in the second case, both A and M are adjacent to each other. Hence, this case is completely ruled out. Now, we have left with only the one. Then, what is the other information we have? And who is the person left over? N is the person left over. And B sits in the middle of the table and B is at this place. Done? Now this is about question number 66 to 70. And who among the following sits opposite to the one who sits third to the right of N? N ki third right hand side. Third right evaru cheppandi? D. N ki third right emo D unnadu. Then who is opposite to this one? Who is opposite to this one? P. P that is given in choice 2. Then 67. What is the position of C with respect to M? Position of C either third left or fifth right. Now third left or fifth right, what is given here? Either third left or fifth right. Hence both 2 and 4, that is choice 5. మీరు స్క్వేర్ టేబుల్ చేసినా మీకు సేమ్ ఆన్సర్స్ వస్తాయి. ఓకే. Then which of the following does not belong to that group? And does not belong to that group? OPCMD. OPCMD. Then OPCMD, if you observe here. Now these are the 4 persons because B is at the center. And OPCMD. Then O at the corner, D at the corner, M at the corner and P at the corner. And C is at the center. except C. The remaining persons are at the corner, C is at the center. And next one 69. How many persons sit between M and the one who sits immediate right of D? Immediate right hand side of D avaru cheppandi? B. And B and M. How many persons are there when counted from the left of M? Left hand side of M means in the anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many persons are there? There are 4 persons, choice 4. Question number 69. Then 78th. Which of the following statements are false in the given below? And 3 persons are sitting between P and A. True or false? That is false. Either 2 persons or 4 persons in between these two. And 3 is false. And D sits third to the right of N. D is third to the right of N. That is definitely true. Isn't it? Hence, what is your answer? Question number 70, it is choice 2. Now here. And 3 persons are, now the question is about definitely false. As it is definitely false, first one is false. And the second one is 2. And one to what inka combination ఏమని చెప్పండి 4 ఇచ్చాడు. Now we need to check out the fourth one. A sits 5th to the right of C. And A is 4th to the right of C, but rather than 5th right. And so what is your answer? 1 as well as 4. Both 1 and 4, that is choice 5, question number 70. Clear now? Now this is about the first set, 66 to 70. Then 71 to 73. Now how many questions were given under this one? 71 to 73, only 3 questions. Now that it is certain number of persons. Then certain number of persons, only 3 questions were given under this one. మరి ఏం చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీలో చేస్తారా, సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీకి మార్చుకుంటారు? సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ, బికాజ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో లెస్. జనరల్గా మనకి 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఆలోచించవచ్చు. ఉన్నవి 3 క్వశ్చన్స్, దట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది, సర్టెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పర్సన్స్, పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. హెన్స్ ఇట్ మస్ట్ బి ఎదర్ ద సెకండ్ ఆర్ ద థర్డ్ ప్రయారిటీ. దెన్ లాస్ట్లో చేసుకోండి. దెన్ 71 to 73. Now in this 71 to 73, a certain number of persons are sitting in a straight line. That all the persons are facing towards which direction? North. And 3 persons sit between M and B. M ki B ki madhya entamandi unnaru cheppandi? There must be exactly 3 people. Now 3 people between M and B, if M is here, and 3 people between M and B, B is here. Or if B is at this place, now 3 people between M and B, 1, 2, 3, M is here. Saripotundandi? Now whether M is to the right hand side of B or to the left hand side. M sits out to the 3 persons between M and B, and next one Z sits second to the right of M. Z is seated second to the right of M, and in this case Z is seated second to the right of M. Saripotundandi? And Z is seated second to the right of M. And next one, Z sits second to the right of M. Only 3 persons between B and D. Now in between B and D, how many persons? There must be exactly 3 persons. As exactly 3 persons here, now in this case 1, 2, 3, D must be here. Left hand side is not possible because D and M must be in the same place. And in this case, 3 persons between B and D. B ki D ki madhya entamandi undali cheppandi? 3 members. Now B ki right hand side D తీసుకుంటే M and D must be in the same place, not possible. Hence, these 3 persons are to the left hand side. And who is this person here? 3 persons between B and D, D is there. Saripotundandi? And P is an immediate left of M, and P is to the immediate left hand side of M. Here P is to the immediate left of M. And next one, Z sits 5th from right extreme and other row. Z is 5th from right extreme and other row. Hence, how many persons are there to the right hand side of Z? Only 4 people, because Z is 5th from the right. And in the first case, Z 5th from the right unde possibility unda? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minimum 7th position from the right hand side. Isn't it? Hence this case is completely ruled out. Now we have left with only the second one. And next one, W sits at one of the extreme and other row. W is at one of the extreme and other row. Whether W can be to the left hand side or to the right hand side, isn't it? Maybe W is at the first from the left or first from the left or first from the right. And next one, number of persons sitting between Z and F, F and D. Z and F, F and D. That means this F must be exactly between Z and D. Ante kada? Z ki D ki madhyalo exactly between. How many persons are there in between Z and D? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 persons means exactly between means 5th position. Now 5th position F must be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't it? That means F will be here. D and F. ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? మధ్యలో 4 members. F ki Z ki మధ్యలో 4 members. Now this number of persons between Z and F equals to F and D. సరిపోయిందండి ఇది? And next one, J sits second to the left of T. And whatever this J is seated second to the left of T. T who is an immediate neighbor of B. T is an immediate neighbor of B, T is here. If T is here, J sits second to the left, J must be at this place. Hence D and J are adjacent to each other. Then? And next one, J sits second to the left of T, T who is an immediate neighbor of B. And next one, not more than 2 persons sit between T and D. T ki D ke majlo not more than 2. Hence either 2 persons or lesser than 2 persons must be in between these two. And not more than 2 persons between T and D. T ki D ke as of now there are only 2 persons. 2 కన్నా ఎక్కువైతే ఉండకూడదు. 2 ఉండొచ్చు, 2 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉండొచ్చు. వన్ మెంబర్ ఉండొచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఎవరు లేకపోవచ్చు కూడా. 0, 1 and 2 are the possibilities we have. And 5 persons between D and D కి W కి మధ్య ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు చెప్పండి. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 persons between D and G. And next one, the number of persons in between D and H same as H and W. D ki H ki మధ్యలో, H ki W ki మధ్యలో. Isn't it? That means D and H and W. And where should this H must be exactly in between these two. ఆ 5 places లో థర్డ్ ప్లేస్ లో ఉండాలి. Done with this? And this is the final arrangement we have. D and H and W. Then coming back to this one, how many persons are there in this one? Yes, tell me total number of persons in this. మా కౌంట్ చేస్తారా? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 plus 1, 21. And its total number of persons 21. Question number 71. And who among us the following persons sits 8th to the left of F? 8th to the left of F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what is your answer here? H. H that is given in choice to question number 72. And 73, how many persons are in between Z and D? Now in between Z and D, if you count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 persons in between Z and D, that is given in choice 1. Now this is about question number 71 to 73. Total number of persons in this row is 21. Now manaki regular ga prelims as well as clerk prelim loni uche model, and at the same time PO prelim lo kuda uche model idi. Then next one, 74 onwards. Now in this question number 74 onwards, it is based on coded inequalities. Now in this coded inequalities, now some outside symbols were given. First ఏం చేయాలి? First we need to decode the given data. మనం క్లాస్ 2 లో డిస్కస్ చేసాం అది ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో. And question numbers 36 to 40 comes under this model, isn't it? Then first one, hash stands for, hash అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి చెప్పండి? Not smaller than. Not smaller than అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? Hash means not smaller than means it cannot be smaller than. Lesser అయితే కాదు. Hence it must be either greater than or equals to. And star stands for, and star neither equal nor greater than. Equal కాదు, greater కాదు. Hence it must be lesser than. And percentage not greater than, greater కాకూడదు కనుక అయితే lesser than or equals to. And next one, at the rate of, and this at the rate of stands for what? And neither smaller nor greater, hence it must be equal to. And end stands for, end stands for neither smaller nor equal, hence it must be greater than. అంతే కదా? Now these are the 5 symbols given here. Then coming to question number 74. O at the rate of P. O at the rate of P means O and P are one and the same. And next one, O percentage R. Percentage means O lesser than or equals to R. That means you put O lesser than or equals to R, or R greater than or equals to O. It means in a raskochman. Then, and next one, O percentage are equals to R. R percentage S. R percentage S means R lesser than or equals to S. S greater than or equals to R. Raskochman. And next one, S and T. S and T means S is S greater than T. That means T lesser than S. T lesser than S greater than or equals to R greater than or equals to O equals to P. Then S at the rate of P n. The relation between S and P, S greater than R equals to P వస్తుంది. Then ఇక్కడ at the rate of అంటే ఏం చెప్పండి? ఈక్వల్ టు. N అంటే మనకి ఏమవుతుంది? గ్రేటర్ దెన్. S is either greater than or equals to P. Hence either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2, that is choice for question number 74. S greater than or equals to P. Then 75. Now in this 75, G and S. How to represent this one? G and S. N stands for G greater than S. And next one, S hash means S greater than or equals to T. And T at the rate of means T equals to U. And V greater than U, U lesser than V. And end stands for greater than, and star stands for lesser than. V greater than T annam. Now T lesser than V, V greater than T. The relation between G and T. G greater than T, T lesser than G. Hence what is your answer here? Both 1 and 2. Both the conclusions are true, that is choice 2, question number 75. Both 1 and 2. Done with this? Then 76. Now in this question number 76 percentage and B percentage M, B lesser than or equals to M, M greater than Z, Z hash means Z greater than or equals to K. And in the next one M star P means M greater than P, M greater than P, and P at the rate of means P equals to H, and H hash means H greater than or equals to F. Done? Then in this one M greater than P, P equals to H, H greater than or equals to F. Then if you combine these two, P and K, and means P greater than K, and star stands for B lesser than F. P and K, the relation between P and K, P ekkada, K ekkada. Which element is common here? M is common. As M is common, the relation between M and K, M greater than K only. And M greater than P means P lesser than M. P lesser than M, M greater than K. And two opposite symbols, and so no relation can be drawn between these two. Avuna. And now B lesser than or equals to M, M greater than Z, Z greater than or equals to K, and star. Where is star here? Star is lesser than. Where is lesser than here? Star. And star is B lesser than F the star. M star, sorry. M lesser than P. Now here M lesser than P, M lesser than P, and H greater than or equals to F. Then M lesser than P, the relation between P and K. And P ki K, M greater than K, M greater than K, and at the same time, and P and M. M lesser than P means P greater than M. P greater than M, M greater than K, P greater than K, definitely true. Then next one B and F. Now B is here and F is here. Which element is common? M. B lesser than or equals to M, and between M and F, two opposite symbols, no relation can be drawn, and so only one follows, that is choice 1, question number 76. Then 77. Now in this 77, how many movies are there? There are only 7 movies, and they have released in a week starting from Tuesday and ending on Monday. Now here the week is starting on Tuesday. Now Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Saturday and Sunday, isn't it? And Saturday and Monday. And starting with Tuesday, ending with Monday. And 3 movies are released between Z and X. How many in between Z and X? Exactly 3. Now 3 movies are released between Z and X. 3 are in between Z and X. As 3 movies are released between Z and X, and at the same time, X such that Z is released before X. Z is released before what? X. 3 movies between Z and X. And E is released before D. E is before D. And not more than 3 movies are releasing between them. Not more than 3. E ki D ki majra ennu undali cheppandi? Lesser than or equals to 3. Now E is released before M and more than 3 movies. More than 3 movies are released between means greater than or equals to 3. Kanuka E ki D ki majra ennu undali? 4, 5, 6 and so on. Hence we can have minimum 4. Minimum 4 aithe undali. Minimum 4 ekkada start cheddam cheppandi. Now can you take E at this place? If E is here, 4 తీసుకుంటే 1, 2, 3, 4. D is here, that is one possibility. And in the next possibility, E is at this place and D is here, second possibility. Inka possibility unda intena? Yes, any other possibility or only 2 possibilities were there? Now ila undochu kadamma, E ekkada unte D will be here. More than 3 unnaya leda? More than 3 in between E and D. All together we have 3 different possibilities. And next one, E released before D and more than 3 movies releasing between them. Movie G and Z are not released on consecutive days. Next, coming to this one, Z and X. Z and X ekkada undali cheppandi? Z and X, there must be exactly 3. Z is here, 1, 2, 3, X is here. Now in this one, Z and X, if you take Z at this place, 3 in between Z and X are not possible. Z cannot be here. Kani Z ekkada undali? Z is here. Z is here, 1, 2, 3, X will be at this place. Saripinda leda? Z is here. And this is the next possibility. Then coming back to this one. And Z is at this place. 1, 2, 3, X cannot be here. Then what is the other possibility? Z is at this place. X is at this place. Hence, what are the different possibilities we have? 1, 2, 3, 3 possibilities. And G and Z are not released on consecutive days. G and Z cannot be on the consecutive days. Hence, G cannot be here. Now in this case, G cannot be in these 2 places. G and Z. And G and Z are not adjacent to each other. And next one, Y is exactly between Z and X. Y is exactly between Z and X, Y must be at this place, exactly in between. Y is exactly between Z and X. Z ki X ki మధ్యలో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి చెప్పండి 3. Hence Y is exactly between Z and X. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Now Y is exactly between Z and X, 1, 2, 3. Hence Y is exactly between Z and X. All the three cases are valid. And F and X are not released on consecutive days. F and X are not released on consecutive days. In this case, F must be adjacent to X, which is not possible. This is ruled out. And F and X are not released on consecutive days. Yes, it is valid in this case. Now here F and X were not released consecutive, F is here. And F is here, G must be at this place. Saripendandi? Now in this second case, G cannot be here, cannot be here. G rendu కేసుల్లో ఉండకూడదు. రెండు కేసుల్లో ఉండకూడదు అంటే there is no possibility for this G. This is also ruled. And finally we have left with only one case. Then this is how you need to take the possibilities. మీరు పాసిబిలిటీ రెండే తీసుకుంటారు. ఈయన ఇక్కడ ఇది కూడా ఉండే పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంది. డన్. దీంతో కానీ ఫిక్స్ చేసాడంటే మీ వల్ల కాదు క్యాచ్ చేయడం అది. డన్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 77. How many movies are releasing before movie G? Movie G, how many movies are there? There are 4. 4 that is given in choice for question number 77. 77 it is choice 4. And which among the following movies released immediately after movie D? Immediately after movie D, is there any movie here? No, none of the movies were there after this one. And 79. If all the movies are released in English alphabetical order from Tuesday to Monday. English alphabetical order ఏమున్నాయి చెప్పండి? Then starting with what? Starting with D. And D, E, F. D, E, F, G. And after this G, X, Y and Z. And so how many remain at the same place? Only one. What is that movie? F. That is choice 3, question number 79. Then coming to this 80. And which among us the following movies released on consecutive days? X and Y consecutive false. E and F consecutive is false. G and D consecutive false. Y and G as they are consecutive, choice for question number 80. Then 81 onwards. And 81, which of the following does not belong to the group? X and D. Now X and D are consecutive. E and Z are consecutive. G and D, one in between these two. Hence what is the answer we have? Choice 3, question number 81. Now saripotunda? 81 it is choice 3. Then 82 onwards it is based on sequence. Now in this sequence, which of the following does not belong to that group annaru? Okay. Now in this sequence, it comes under odd man out. Odd man out in sequence M hash and T. M hash and T, tell me what is the answer we have for this one? M and hash, M2 hash plus 3, hash and T plus 2. Here the difference is plus 3 plus 2. L, O and S. Now in this L, O and S, L and O plus 3, O and S plus 2. Here it is plus 3 plus 2. And next one 6, W and H, 6 and W plus 3. And here again plus 3. Now except in choice 3. And in the remaining, the difference between the elements is 3 and T. 3 and 2. Here it is 3 and 3. Hence it is the odd one. Then choice 3 is the odd one, question number 82. Then coming to this 83, and how many symbols are there? Symbols are there which is immediately followed by a number. Symbol immediately followed by what? Number. And symbol and number must be following. Now symbol followed by number, symbol followed by number, and symbol cannot be taken, symbol cannot be taken, this symbol cannot be taken, this also cannot be taken, and symbol followed by number. And so how many are there altogether? 3. That is choice 3, question number 83. Saripenda? 83, symbol immediately followed by number. Now this is symbol followed by number, symbol followed, only 2, isn't it? Only 2 were there, 2 that is given choice 1. Symbol followed by number, there are only 2 such symbols which are immediately followed by numbers, choice 1. Then 84. Now in this 84, if all the numbers are removed from the above sequence, then which of the following is 15th from the left hand? 15th from the left hand without the number. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 and 15. What is the element we have? S. S, that is choice 3, question number 84. And 85, how many numbers are there to the right hand side of hash? Right hand side of hash 1, 2, next one 3, 4, 5 and 6. and 6, that is choice 2, question number 85. Right hand side to this symbol hash, there are 6 numbers altogether. Then 86. 86 onwards, it is based on blood relations. Now in this, A is the father of. A is the father of whom? A is the father of D. How to represent this one? A male, is the father of whom? A is the father of D. And next one. And D is the brother of F. D is the brother of F. D and F are the children of A. And E is the husband of H. And F is the sister of E. Now this F is the sister of whom? F is the sister of E. Hence this, A is having 3 children as of now. F is the sister of E and B is the son of D. Now this B is the son of whom? B is the son of D. D, who is the husband of C. Now D is the husband of C. D and C are married couple. Then husband of C. Earlier we have left one more information. F is the sister of E. A is the brother. A is the father of D. D is the brother of F. E is the husband of H. Now E is the husband of H. E and H are married couple. Clear? E is the husband of H. F is the sister of E. B is the son of D. And D, who is the husband of C. And according to this one, question number 86. And how is F related to C? Now tell me, how is F related to C? C's husband is D. Husband's sister. Spouse's sister. Spouse's sister. Sister-in-law, that is choice to 86. Then 87. Has only one question given under this blood relation. Then 87. Only a few. No A as B. It comes under syllogisms here. No A as B can be written like this. This is A and this is B. No A as B. These two cannot be intersected here. And only a few B's are C's. Only some of the B's are C's but not all. Only some B's are C's but not all. And some C's are D. C and D must be like this. No C is A. Definitely true. Some C's are A's. As of now in this diagram it is false. Then now as the first one is a negative conclusion. Angeli, then we need to go for an alternate diagram. Then to make this one false, I need to draw complementary pair. What is a complementary pair? Some C's are A's. And C and A must be intersected. Now tell me whether I can able to write A like this or not. Yes. By doing so, I have proven a case where some C's are A, C is 2. If some C's are A, C is 2, no C is A will become false. Clear? No A is C, false. Then in the same case, when the first one is 2, second one has become false. When the second is false, now in the same diagram, tell me what happens to the previously false affirmative conclusion, some C's are A. ఇప్పుడు some C's are A, ఇప్పుడు true అయింది. ఇంతకు ముందు ట్రూ అయింది, ఇప్పుడు ఫాల్స్ అవుతుంది. ఇది ఫాల్స్ అవ్వాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇది ఫాల్స్ అయినప్పుడు సెకండ్ ఇది ట్రూ అయింది. When the first one is 2, second is false, second is true, first is false. Between these two, only one can be true. Hence, either 1 or 2. Choice 3, question number 87. 87, choice 3. Then 88. Now in this 88, some dolls are pink. Yes, how to represent this one? These are the dolls which are pink. Some dolls are pink, doll and a pink. And some pink are teddy. And pink are teddy. And this is doll. Some pink are teddy. And some teddy are red. Some other teddy are red. And some dolls are red. No intersection. And some pink or red is a possibility. Pink and red can be intersected or not? Pink and red. Now tell me whether I can able to write red like this or not. Yes. Hence that is possible. And again all the statements are affirmative. Anything is possible. You can write a universal diagram for a possibility. Then all come under this category. Anni అయిపోతాయి. All dolls are pink అవుతుంది. All pink are and red అవుతుంది. Isn't it? Teddy and so on. Hence what is your answer? Only 2 follows. Only 2, choice 1, question number 88. Then 89. Now in this 89, all ice is hot. All ice is hot. How to represent this one? This is ice which is hot. This entire ice is hot. And some soups are hot. And soup and a hot. And no soup is cold. No intersection between soup and a cold. Now this is what the information we have. Some hot are not cold. Now as of now, no hot is a cold, some hot or not cold is true. No soup is ice is also true. Now both the conclusions that are true, they are negative conclusions. Rendu negative conclusions, not and no. Then ee rendu false avalante em cheyali? Then దీనికి complementary. All hot or cold. This entire hot or cold ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? This entire hot or cold అంటే ఇలా రాయాలి. Cold ఇలా రావాలి. ఇలా cold రాయొచ్చా? ఇలా కోల్డ్ రాస్తే ఏమైపోయింది? no soup is cold will become false. Statement invalid. Alternate diagram cannot be drawn. This will be true forever. That means this conclusion cannot be false even in a single case. As it cannot be false, it is 100% definitely true. Now we are trying to make that one false at least once. Then next one, no soup is ice. Now to make this one false, no soup is ice. Then I need to prove, improve jelly. No soup, some soup or ice. Now tell me whether I can able to write soup and ice like this or not. Yes, by doing so I have proven a case where some soup or ice is true. Some soup or ice is true. No soup is ice will become false. Clear? And what is your answer? Only one follows. Only one, that is choice 5, question number 89. Then coming to this 90. Now in this 90, all vans are fans. All vans are fans can be written like this. This entire van is a fan. All vans are fans and all fans are tanks. All these fans are what? Tank. No tank is a bike. No intersection between tank and a bike. Then according to this one, no tank is van. No tank is van. True or false? It is false, because some tanks are vans is true. All vans are tanks is true. And no bike is a van. Bike is here, van is here, definitely true. As no bike is a van is true, it is a negative conclusion. Now to make this one false, now we need to prove some bikes are van. For no, some bikes are van. Now bike and bike should be intersected. Is it possible to write like this? Now if I write like this, no bank is tank will become false. Isn't it? Because this bank cannot be intersected with this outer circle. Hence it cannot come into the inner circle. Unless and otherwise it comes into the inner circle, it cannot be false. Hence what is your answer? It cannot be false at least once. It will be definitely true. Hence what is your answer? No bike is van. Only 2 follows. Only 2, that is choice 4, question number 90. Then 90 is choice 4. Then 91 to 95. 91 onwards, they are based on set of words. One, out, sat, lap, man. Now the positions of the first and the third letters of all the words are interchanged. First and the third letters are interchanged is nothing but the entire word is written in the reverse order. The entire word is written in the reverse order. Then WON. WON when written in the reverse order, it will be NOW. Whether it is a meaningful word or not. Now is a meaningful word. And TUO, it is not a meaningful word. TAS and PAL is not a meaningful word. NAM is not a meaningful word. And so how many meaningful words that can be formed? 1. And this one is given in choice 5. Only one meaningful word that can be found by interchanging the first and the third letters in each of the given words. Now PAL, it is not a meaningful English word. Okay? PAL. Now this PAL is not an English meaningful word. In our regular tense, we will use that one word Paul. Bro, Paul, all this comes under one category. Done? And next one. 92. Now in this 92, if all the letters in each of the words are arranged alphabetically within the word from left to right, from left hand side to right hand side, all the letters in each of the words are arranged alphabetically. How many words will remain unchanged? Alphabetically arranged cheyadante meaning and Japanese. All these letters should be in an ascending order. Then indulo ascending order unda? No. N first avali. Next one indulo unda? OUT. This is again. O first ostundi. OTU is the alphabetical order. Isn't it? If all the letters in each of the words are arranged in alphabetical order, then ikkada manaki ela ravali cheppandi? OTU ravali. Ikkademo OUT. Next one ATS రావాలి. ఇక్కడేమో APL రావాలి. ఇక్కడ ANM రావాలి. Then what is your answer here? None, that is choice for question number 92. None of the words remain, in none of the words all the letters are in ascending order or alphabetical order. 92. Then 93. Now in this 93 to 97, 8 persons were there. And who are those 8 persons? A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Now these 8 persons are standing in a line in alphabetical order from left hand side to right hand side. Now these 8 persons in an alphabetical order. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Then next one, and each person likes different color. And now at the same time, all these 8 persons are in an alphabetical order from left to right and each side. Now he himself has arranged this order. All the persons are in alphabetical order. Now this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Then all these persons are in alphabetical order. Then next one. And B likes either brown or yellow. Whatever this be, B likes either brown or yellow color. Either brown or yellow. And next one, C and H do not like red color. And C and H do not like red color. And C and H do not like red color. And C, red is ruled out. And who is the other person here? H. H also red is ruled out. And C and H cannot be red colors. And next one, D likes black color. Now this D likes which color? D likes black color. Now D likes black color. Neither C nor E likes white color. And C and E, they do not like white color. And C is here. Now this E also do not like white color. Neither C nor E likes white color. And next one, G and A like green or orange and orange respectively. And G likes which color? G likes green color. Now G likes green color and A likes orange color. A likes orange color. And G and A likes orange, green and orange respectively, means in the same order. E likes either yellow or red. Now E likes what? Either yellow color or red color. E likes either yellow or red color. And next one, H does not like brown and pink. Whatever this H does not like brown and pink. Now brown cannot be at this place as well as pink cannot be here. Brown and pink were ruled out for this one. As brown and pink were ruled out, red is also ruled out. అవునా కదా, మూడు కలర్స్ పోయి, బ్రౌన్ పోయింది, రెడ్ పోయింది, పింక్ కలర్. ఇంకేమున్నాయి చెప్పండి? అండ్ బ్రౌన్, గ్రీన్ కూడా పోయింది బికాజ్ G likes green. బ్లాక్ కూడా పోయింది, D likes black. And orange is also ruled out. అవునా కదా? Hence orange, black, green, red, brown, pink were ruled out. ఇంకా మనకు మిగిలిపోయింది అని చెప్పండి, white and yellow. Hence we have left with white and yellow to this one, white or yellow. Then H does not like brown and pink and C does not like pink color. Now this C does not like pink color. As C does not like pink color. Now with the help of this one, tell me what are the colors we can able to identify. Now pink color cannot be C and H cannot be pink. Then who must like pink color here? F must like pink color. చెప్పొచ్చా లేదా? ఎలా చెప్తాను చెప్పండి. అండ్ పింకింగ్ ఇంకా మూడే పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి. అయితే C అవ్వాలి అండ్ F అవ్వాలి, H అవ్వాలి. అండ్ దీస్ పర్సన్స్ yellow or red and here also brown or yellow. Then hence this pink has been done. If pink has been done, ఇంకా మనకి ఏమని చెప్పండి, yellow and white. Now white cannot be at this place. As white cannot be at this place, then where should this white? ఇంకెక్కడ మనకి A, B, C, D, E, F, G అక్కడ white ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. Hence white must be H. And if H is white and white, green, pink, black and orange అయిపోయింది. And brown or yellow, brown or yellow. Now this person cannot be red color. అవునా కదా? And this person cannot be red color. B also cannot be red color. ఎందుకు చెప్పండి? గ్రీన్ B అయితే బ్రౌన్ లేకపోతే yellow. రిమైనింగ్ కలర్స్ ఏది వీటి లైక్ చేయడు, కనుక రెడ్ కూడా లైక్ చేయడు. రెడ్ కూడా లైక్ చేయడు కాబట్టి E must be red. అవునా కదా? If E is red, then the colors left over brown or yellow in any order between B and C. Clear? And C, B likes brown అయితే C likes yellow. C brown అయితే B likes yellow. Then బ్రౌన్ అండ్ ఎల్లో గురించి ఇక్కడే ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మనకి ఇంకెక్కడ ఇవ్వలేదు మనకి ఇద్దరిలో. Then F likes which are the following color? F likes pink color, that is choice 3, question number 93. Then 94, which of the following does not belong to the group? And A and brown. A and brown may be adjacent or one person between. C and red. Now in the C and red, between C and red there is exactly one person. And E and green there is exactly one person. B and red, how many persons are there? There are two persons between B and red. Then what is your answer in this case? 94, choice 4. Except choice 4. And in the remaining choices, there is one person between the person and the color given. But whereas here, there are two persons. Choice 4, 94. Then 95, who likes white color? Now tell me the person who likes white. H likes white, that is choice 2, 95. Then 96, which of the following statements are true in the question given below. C likes brown color, may be true, may be false. And G does not like green color, that is false because G likes green color. B likes yellow color. Now B likes yellow color, may be true, may be false, we cannot say definitely true. And next one, H likes pink color, that is definitely false. Then what is your answer here? Your answer could be either 1 or 3. Maybe this can be true or this can be true. If C likes brown color is true, then B likes yellow color. Ante kada? Or if B likes yellow color, C likes brown color. Hence between these two only one can happen. Hence 1 and 3, choice 5, question number 96. Then 97, who likes brown color? Now tell me the one who likes brown color and the one who likes brown color. The one who likes brown color. Yes, what is the answer we have? Either B or C. Who likes brown? Either B or C is the answer. Either B or C. Brown we cannot definitely finalize this one. Either B or C. 97. Then 98. Now in this 98, in a certain code language, boat is in river and so on. What is the code for the word river? River ki code enti anigam. Now in the case of river here, boat is in river and shim in river. In river and in river is common between these two. Anagada. In river is common and two words are common, two codes will be common. And fish fry is good. Now is the word that is common. And what is the word that can be? What is the code for this one? The word that is common between these two. Emotion Japani? PQ or OE. And PQ or OE, choice for either one not. And two words are common, two codes. PQ and OE are common. Ikkada kuda PQ and OE are common. Kanaka river ki code emo either PQ or OE. Choice 5, question number 98. Then 99, it is based on direction sense here. A person starts from point P towards north direction and he walks 8 meters to reach point Q. Now this is P. First from here, this person starts moving towards north and walks 8 meters to reach Q. And then he walks 10 meters towards his right hand side. Now from here, this person walks 10 meters towards his right hand side and reached point R. After reaching point R, later he walks to his left and walks 8 meters to reach point S. From here, left hand side 8 meters and reached point S, and this is R. And next one, then he walks towards east and walks for 5 meters towards T. From here, this person walks how many meters? 5 meters. Now this is R and this is S. Now this is 5 meters east to reach point T. And finally he walks south. From here, from T, he walks south and walks for 16 meters. 8 plus 8 is nothing but 16. That means this person to reaches U. Now P and U are in a horizontal straight line because the vertical distance between these two is same. Then 99. What is the shortest distance between P and S? Now we need to find the shortest distance between P and S. That means now we need to find the distance like this. Now in this one, what is the vertical distance? In order to find out the shortest distance, we need to draw the Pythagoras triangle. The vertical distance 8 plus 8 is how much? And 256, that is 16 square. And next one. And what is the next one we have? And horizontal. Horizontal, and this is equals to 10. 10 is nothing but 100. That is 356. Now this 356 is divided by what? Divided by 4. How many times it goes? 4 8s, 32 and 36, 89. That means 2 root 89. 2 root 89, that is choice 3, question number 99. The shortest distance between these. And finally question number 100. What is the position of Q from point D? Now the position of Q from point D, in order to reach to Q from point D, first towards south, then towards west. And south and west, southwest, that is choice 2 is the answer, question number 100. Clear now? South and west. To reach Q from T, hence first south and west southwest. And this is about question numbers 99 and 100. These two are based on directions. Clear now? Now with this we have come to an end of this reasoning section in this paper. Then number series 31. Then number series question numbers 31 to 35. In this 31, what is the question given in this one 31 here? and 9, 5, 32, 16, 141. Then how to represent this one? Number 9. 9 నుంచి number 1s decreased. ఒకసారి తగ్గుతుంది కాబట్టి ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పండి? Into 1 minus something or into 0.5 minus something. Then how to represent this one? And 9 into 1. 9 into 1 is so much? 9. 9 and or else let us take for it. And 9 and 5. Minus 4 తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా? Because the numbers are increasing at a smaller rate. It must be under difference. Clear? 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 and 27, 5 plus 27 is 32. And minus 4 plus 27. 32 and 16 minus 16. 4 can be written as 2 square. 27 is 3 cube. 4 square and 5 cube. What is 5 cube? 125. Next one 6 square. 41 minus 36. How much is that one? 105. The last digit is 5. 105. Choice 5. Alternately, squares and cubes are subtracted and added. Minus 2 square plus 3 cube. Minus 4 square plus 5 cube. Minus 6 square. And 141 minus 36. And the answer is 105. Choice 5, 31. Then question number 32. Now in this 32, 25, 45, 70, 100. Then 25 and 45. Again the numbers are increasing at a smaller rate. Now the difference is so much? 20. And 45 and 70. The difference is so much? 25. 70 and 100. 30. Next difference is so much? 35. 35, 30, 25, 20. Next one. What's the next difference here? 15. That means 25 minus 15 is so much? 10. 10 that is given in choice 3, question number 32. Clear? Then 33. Now in this 33, 16, 8. Numbers starting with the 16 and increased up to 472. The numbers are increasing at a very faster rate. Hence it must be under product or combination. Number 1s decreased from 16 to 8. That means it is how much? Into 0.5. Now 16 into 0.5 is so much? 8. 8 and 12 can be written as into 1.5. Into 0.5, 1.5. Next one is 2.5. 12 into 2.5 is so much? 30. 0.5, 1.5, 2.5. Next one is 3.5. Now 30 into 3.5. How much is that? 30 into 3, 90 plus 15. 105. That is choice 4. Question number 33. And 33, it is choice 4. Then the given numbers are multiplied with 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5 and 4.5. Then 34, numbers are increasing at a very faster rate or decreasing at a very faster rate from left to right, increasing at a very faster rate from right to left. Whenever the numbers are in the decreasing, you should always go in the reverse order. 50 and 250 into 5. 250 and 500 into 2. 500 and 2500 into 5. And this one into 2. 2, 5, 2, 5. Next one must be into 2. Something into 2 must be 50. And the number is almost 25. Done? And in the reverse, the numbers are multiplied with 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5 alternately. Or from left hand side to right hand side. Divided by 2, divided by 5. Divided by 2, divided by 5 and so on. 25, that is choice 2, question number 34. Then 35 numbers. 4, 2 and again the choices are 100 only, isn't it? Numbers increasing at a smaller rate. Hence it must be difference. What is the difference? 10. And 14 and 28, 14. 28 and 47, 19. Next one 47 and 72, 25. Now the difference between 10 and 14 plus 4. And 14 and 19 plus 5. 19 and 26 plus 6. 4, 5, 6 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Next one plus 7. 25 plus 7, 32. Now 72 plus 32. What is the number we have? 72 plus 32, 104. Choice 1, question number 35. Done? Now with this we have come to an end of this reasoning section in this paper.